Today I am going to discuss criteria for similarity of triangles. The first criteria is AAA similarity. You have already learned that the similarity of two triangles. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then the corresponding angles, angle A is equal to angle P, angle C is equal to angle R, and the angle B is equal to angle Q. So corresponding sides are also equal. Thus we can write here angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Similarly, and one more condition, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. That is, corresponding sides are proportional. Their ratios are equal. Now, the corresponding side of AB is equal to PQ. Similarly, BC equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. The similarity of these two triangles you can represent it by using a symbol. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that we can represent it as triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is the symbol we used for similar. From this notation itself, we can easily find out the corresponding angle and the corresponding sides. Here, angle A is equal to angle P. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. And AB by PQ here is equal to BC by QR. BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So corresponding sides, corresponding angles ratio you can find out from the notation itself. Now, to check the similarity of two triangles, should we look for the equality of all angles or corresponding sides, whether they are equal or not, corresponding ratio of the corresponding sides are equal or not? In class 9 you have went through the criteria for congruency of two triangles. For congruency of two triangles, we took only three corresponding parts of triangles that should be equal. Here also, for similarity of two triangles, to check the similarity of two triangles, let us see how many minimum pairs of corresponding sides or corresponding angles should be equal. Here I have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Let us measure its angles. Here, angle A is equal to 60, angle B is equal to 45, angle C is equal to 75 degree. Now let me check the measure of angle DEF, triangle DEF. Angle D is equal to 60, angle E 45 degree and angle F 75 degree. That means in these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. This we can say the corresponding angles, we can say they are equal. Now, what about the ratio of the corresponding sides? Here corresponding side of AB is equal to DE. Let me measure the length. AB by DE is equal to 6 by 10. You are getting 0.6. Now let me check BC by EF. BC by EF is equal to 5.38 by 8.97. This we can calculate. 5.38 by 8.97. This you will get 0.599 etc. That we can write it as 0.6 for correct one place of decimal. And let us see what AC by DF is. AC by DF, that is 4.39 by 7.32, again which is equal to 0.599, and correct it to one place of decimal you can write it as 0.6. That means here the corresponding sides are proportional. So we can say if corresponding angles are equal, we found the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, these two triangles we can say they are similar. So we can say if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence two triangles are similar. This criterion we can call it as AAA, angle criterion for similarity of two triangles, or simply we can write AAA similarity. Here you have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Two of the angles given, angle B46, angle E46, similarly angle C36, angle F 36 degree. Now what about angle A? Let us measure angle A. Angle A you are getting 98 degree. Similarly here angle D you are getting that also 98. Obviously, if two angles of a one triangle are equal, the third angle also must be equal to each other, because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, if two angles of one triangle is equal to the corresponding two angles of the other triangle, the third angle also will be equal. Therefore, two triangles will be similar. That means for similarity of two triangles, minimum two angles of one triangle must be equal to two angles of the other triangle. This criterion we can say AA similarity criterion. So we can write if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. This criterion we can write it as AA similarity criterion. So minimum two angles must be equal for proving two triangles are similar. This is a textbook question to find out the which similarity criterion is used, and write the pairs of triangles in symbolic form. Here angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Therefore, this we can write it as triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. And the criterion here used is AAA similarity. This is another question. Here two angles are given. One angle E is equal to 80, angle D 70. Here angle E, you can see angle Q, but angle D is equal to 70, here it is 30. Now can you find out what angle F is? Here 80 plus 70, 150. Therefore, this angle will be 30 degree. So here also you are getting an angle 30 degree. That means angle F is equal to angle R. So these two angles enough for proving these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. That you have to write in symbolic form also. Here is another question from textbook. Diagonal AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at O. Using similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. For this one, first you check the triangles containing OA and OC. These two triangles, you have to prove it as similar. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides you can, ratio of the corresponding sides you can take it as equal. Here you have to prove these two triangles are similar. Now you can say minimum two angles. AB parallel to DC is given in the question. So alternate interior, they are parallel, therefore alternate interior angle. Angle CDO, angle OBA, you can say equal. Similarly, angle DCO, angle BAO also you can say equal. These two angles are equal means by AA similarity you can prove that those two triangles, triangle DCO is similar to a triangle BAO, then corresponding ratios you can take it as equal. Since these two triangles are equal, first you have to write these two triangles are similar, then you take OA by OC is equal to OB by OD, since corresponding sides of the similar triangles are proportional. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.